In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send a message to someone without being friends on Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is to use the Roblox website and using the search bar at the top of the screen, find the person you want to message by searching their name on the People tab on the search bar. After you find them, you need to open up their profile and check if the message button is grayed out. As you can see in this example, the message button is grayed out, which means for this particular person, it is impossible for me to message them without being friends. This is because you can only message random people without being friends if they have this setting enabled on their privacy tab. Who can message me? As you can see, if you go into your settings, privacy tab, you can change who can message me to friends and users I follow, friends, no one, or everyone. And you can only message other people without being friends with them if they have this option set to everyone. Now, as you can see in this new example, the message button is working, which means they have this option on the privacy tab enabled for everyone. Make sure you also go into your settings, go into privacy and enable everyone who can message you to make sure that they can reply once you message them. So all you have to do is go into their profile and see if the message button is grayed out. If it is grayed out, it is impossible to message them without being friends. But if you can click the message button, all you have to do is click message and write the message as usual, and they can reply as long as your privacy setting is enabled for everyone as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to send a message to someone on Roblox without being friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.